I'm Alex, you're watching Out in the Lights. And today we're looking at the Bellroy Classic Tote. It's a lightweight 1.25 pound, 16-liter capacity bag made with Canva weave, which is a material that kind of feels like what you would find on a Carhartt jacket, and it's made with mostly polyester and a little bit of nylon. The bag has real leather accents, along with dual directional metal OOK zippers. It currently comes in 5 colorways, including the butterscotch that you see here, and it's going to run you $135 US. This thing is going to be perfect for everyday carry or even overnight trips. So let's head back inside and we'll check out what we're fitting in this bag for an overnight trip, and then we're gonna weigh it to make sure we're under that 7-kilogram limit. So I think this year we're gonna be seeing a lot more duffel and tote bags being released. I'm really enjoying these kind of larger tote bags, as well as the smaller duffel bags for weekend travel. I think they're really great options, and with the backpack market being so saturated, I think a lot of brands are going to be releasing these types of bags this year. All right, so first things first, I love the color of this bag. That butterscotch looks so sick. I really dig that. I also really like Bellroy's subtle branding here, as you can see with the real leather accents. There's also gonna be the leather on these zipper pulls, as well as this little zipper pull on the back here too. But yeah, outside of the bag, you really just have these 2 big straps, which are really nice to be able to carry on your shoulder or kind of handheld if you want to do it like that. On the back here, you do have a button for a luggage pass-through, so that's pretty nice. I also like the Bellroy branding on that button. That's kind of cool. All right, so packing this thing out, in the back here, you do have one smaller pocket back here. And inside here, as you can see, you do have that green lining, which is nice. I like that green with the yellow color. It looks super nice. But in here, you're gonna be able to fit something like an iPad. So that's what I put in here for the trip. You can also fit a computer in there. You can do like a 13-inch, but it is pretty snug. Also in here, there's one other pocket. That's gonna fit your passport really nicely. So yeah, in there, that's really all we got. That's kind of filled out. Like I said, it's a pretty slim pocket. And then here is our main pocket where we have everything ready to go for our trip. So let's start with the clothes first. First of all, we have a sweatshirt here, ready to go. We have an extra pair of pants. You can actually probably fit more than that in here, but this fits comfortably. So like an overnight with 1 pair of pants, 1 sweatshirt or 1 shirt, and even like an overcoat in here is gonna fit really well. Next we just have toiletries bag. And then to the side, you actually have these 2 pockets, 1 on each side for water bottles. So this one I left closed, and then here, we'll just put a little water bottle in on that side. And then over here, you have some pockets. I took this large pocket and put my underwear, my boxer briefs, and a pair of socks in that little side pocket just to keep those separate. There's also a slot for a pen. And then a slot over here fits a field notes notebook very nicely. Also in here, you're going to have a key leash if you do want to attach your keys and put it in that little pocket there. So also in this big pocket, on this side, you're gonna have 2 zippered mesh pockets. So there's just 1 zipper that goes across, but it's gonna have 2 different kind of like pockets that you can put things in, excuse me. And this side, we'll just go with the little Game & Watch. And then on the other side of this pocket, we just have our iPad and iPhone charger in there. And yeah, it's as simple as that. That's what we're packing for an overnight trip. So what's everyone think of the new Bellroy Classic Tote? Do you think I'm right? Are totes and duffel bags in this year? Let me know in the comments below what you think about that. For me, this bag is great. I love the 16-liter capacity, which is probably a little bit smaller than that, but that's okay, because for an overnight trip, I think that this is the perfect size. Yeah, I just love the look of it. I love the feel of it. I think the canvas material that they made is super nice and premium. It feels great. It has kind of like soft to the touch, but like feels like workwear-y kind of, you know, like the classic American workwear. And I think it fits in really nicely with, you know, my own personal style. So yeah, I can't say enough good things about this bag. Before we go, let's check out what I've been listening to this week. And right over here, I have the fantastic album Bows and Arrows by the Walkmen. This early 2000s album is one of my absolute favorites. Songs like What's in It for Me, The Rat, Little House of Savages, Bows and Arrows. I mean, this thing is just so good front to back. The Walkmen were kind of part of that early 2000s New York City scene, the same scene that brought you like Yeah Yeah Yeahs, The Strokes, Interpol. They were kind of in that whole New York scene, and yeah, I don't know, this album's fantastic. It just reminds me of winter. Like when it's snowing outside, I really feel like this is kind of the perfect album to listen to. Yeah, Bows and Arrows by the Walkmen. I feel like they never kind of got their due as much as the other bands of that era, but they are one of my favorite, if not my favorites from that era. So yeah, be sure to check out the Walkmen Bows and Arrows. But with that, just want to say thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.